Welcome back to my channel, Socialite. So this week I'm doing part 2 of how to edit your friends' photos. And you know how to edit your personal photos on Instagram. So you can follow me for a step-by-step tutorial, on how to do it. But you guys must be wondering how my hair always change like throughout my videos. And people always ask like what I use in my hair. I don't really use much, like just water. And also Bonita hair growth oil. I feel like a beauty guru, but this is what I mainly use in my hair. But yeah, that's that, and it keeps the hair really healthy, and it helps with the dandruffs and all of that. But yeah, it's really good. But without further ado, let's get into it. So when I usually edit in my photos, I start with the Me Too app. So let's start with my friend Roman. And I usually go over to the reshape, so reshape the eyes, the nose, the mouth, all of that. So we want to really edit the pictures. We want to get in there, but so let's see. Let's play with the nose a little bit, and then I normally use the acne tool. Get rid of those acne out the face, and then I use the firm to get rid of the wrinkles, and if there's any leftover like acne or bumps and all of that, like you get rid of those spots. Okay, I think that's good. um so we can go over to makeup and play with that a little bit. So we can make the lips a little more red. Talking about red, my lips are looking a little pale. Okay, we can play with the brows, the eyebrows. This is a good one. Always wanted to do the razor chop. What do you call that? The cuts with like the two cuts on your eyebrows, like. But I don't know if it will, it would fit me. But yeah, let's continue the video. So the eyes and some contour, and I think we're good. I think we can use the reshape one more time. Okay, I think that's good, and save it. Then I normally, when I finish with the Me Too app, I head over to Prequel. I think that's the name. Please, if I'm wrong, correct me. But yeah, so I save that, and then I head over to the Prequel. And it already has like the Instagram ratio, so it does the Instagram size ratio. So yeah, you can just select your photo and put it to the ratio, the size that you want. So let's use a 4 by 5. I think that's the Instagram feed, and I think the 1 by 1 is the story. But yeah. So with these apps, I usually like play around with them, like feel them out, like the filters and all of that to see which one I like. Prism, I think Prism is a good one. Focus is also a good one. I think Fiji is a good one, but it's like a bit pale. I think I like teal. I'm going to save this and then try another one, I guess. Okay, Cuba is a good one. I'm going to save that one also. And there we have it. Who is our next victim? Okay, so I head over back to the Me Too app, and we're gonna choose our next victim. Uh, Titania. Like Titania, all of these photos are perfect. Let's use this one again. Reshape. Mess with the lips a little bit, a little bit. What? Then we can use the smooth tool to smooth it a little bit. We don't want it, that overpower smooth look. You just want it just right. I think that's good. Then we can head over to makeup. Give her some red lips. What's this? Burgundy. uh, Pink. Ooh. I think we're gonna do the red. Eyebrows. And that's it. So I'm going to save this and then head over to prequel. Ah, it's not loading. Okay, there it is. Again, you can choose the ratio, the size. So Miami is a nice one. I'm gonna save this. Ooh. Dust is a good one, so I'm going to save dust and save. And that's it. Okay, so on to our next victim. So, back to the Me Too app to choose our victim. Gonna use my friend Tiani. Reshape lips. Yes. Yes, I think that's good. Makeup, lip gloss, good one. Eyebrows, don't want it too intense. Not the artist. That was such a lame joke. Add some contour, and I think we're good. We can smooth it a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. So we save and then head over to prequel. So I think this is a nice one. I'm gonna save Miami. Let's try one more. This is a nice one. Okay, yeah, we'll save that and that's it. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Let's do let's do my friend Chester. I think ladies like a guys with with more fuller lips. Let's make him smile a little bit more. Then let's use the acne tool. Then firm. I think he doesn't need it. I think that's good. I know I'm obsessed with using these tools. Okay, let's try the makeup. Okay, let's use some contour. I think that's good. And save. And let's head over to prequel. Let's see if we can find a dope filter for this one. I think this is good. La Plante, let's save that. Let's do one more. San Francisco is a good one. Save. Okay, and that's it. That's all I have for you guys for this week. So I'm going to insert like the before and after, and you guys let me know if I did a good job or not in the comments down below. But yeah, if you want to order the Bonita ear growth oil, I'll leave the links and all the necessary information in the description down below. And don't forget, guys, socialize. And it's almost Halloween spooky season, so I might have a little treat for you guys during that time. But stay tuned and let me know what videos you guys want me to do next, or what you want to see on my channel. But yeah, don't forget to socialize. Bye, guys.